Welcome back to Automotive News Channel, your destination for the most exhilarating performance cars hitting the pavement. If you love cars that combine raw power, track-ready DNA, and pure driving emotion, make sure to subscribe, smash that notification bell, and give us a like so you never miss our in-depth reviews. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the 2025 Porsche 718 GT4 RS Weissach, a mid-engine marvel that blends race car precision with street-legal usability. Let's get started. Front design. Up front, the 718 GT4 RS Weissach version commands attention with purposeful aggression. The bonnet features carbon fiber panels and is lowered slightly for improved aero efficiency. The front bumper incorporates large air intakes and refined sculpting that hint at the car's motorsport capability. The LED headlights have a clean, modern look, and the front underscores the car's wide track and low stance, emphasizing both road presence and performance intent. Viewed from the side, the mid-engine layout is evident in the proportions: short overhangs, muscular rear haunches, and a strong shoulder line. The Weissach package adds visible carbon weave finish elements, for example, side air intake surrounds, mirrors, and optional magnesium wheels, making it visually distinct. The wheel arches are filled by large forged lightweight wheels, giving the car a planted look. With the roofline flowing cleanly, the side profile is dynamic, purposeful, and unmistakably Porsche. At the rear, the 718 GT4 RS Weissach stands out with a fixed, high downforce rear wing, swan neck mounted, aggressive diffuser detailing, and twin titanium tailpipes when optional. The rear fascia is clean but expressive, with prominent carbon accents, refined lighting signature, and a wide stance. The engine cover is often visible through glass or has distinctive air intake treatment, reinforcing the track-derived character. From this angle, it looks like it could belong on a circuit, but it's street-registered. Interior design. Step inside the cabin and you find a blend of luxury, minimalism, and performance. The Weissach variant features carbon fiber trim, Race-Tex upper dashboard surfaces, full bucket seats, optional, and contrast stitching that emphasizes the RS aesthetic. The steering wheel center mark, aluminum paddles, and Porsche's hallmark high-quality finish reinforce that this is no ordinary two-seater. Though track-aware, interior usability remains. Dual-zone climate, infotainment, and practical switching for street use, but with the feel of a dedicated performance machine. Engine and performance. Under the hood of the 2025 Porsche 718 GT4 RS Weissach lies a 4.0 naturally aspirated flat-six engine derived directly from Porsche's motorsport programs. It produces 500 PS, approximately 368 kilowatts, and 450 Newton-meters of torque. The engine revs to a maximum of 9,000 RPM and delivers its peak power around 8,400 RPM. Porsche quotes a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time of 3.4 seconds, with a top speed of 315 kilometers per hour in markets that allow it. The Weissach package enhances performance via lightweight carbon weave components, optional titanium roll cage, forged magnesium wheels saving unsprung mass, and optimized aero. The result? A car that feels thrillingly alive on winding roads, circuits, or the open stretch. It is a purist track tool made legal for street use, with the engine's high revs and intoxicating sound delivering one of the more visceral driving experiences in years. That brings us to the end of our detailed walkthrough of the 2025 Porsche 718 GT4 RS Weissach, a car that combines lightweight engineering, high-revving performance, and track-crafted visual details into one extraordinary package. From its carbon-intensive front end and sculpted side profile, to its motorsport-inspired interior and that exceptional naturally aspirated engine, it's a driver's car in its purest form. What impressed you most? The 9,000 RPM engine, the Weissach carbon details, or the sheer performance numbers? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to subscribe, give us a like, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next high-performance car deep dive on Automotive News Channel. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.